again. The name still remains GoPayTech TV. Today we are going to talk about how someone can earn money from the internet. Making of money internet is not that easy as we see it in our social blogs pages. We give you the legit way to make money online. As everyday people give, a lot of people fall into victim without earning anything. They could do hard earn and they will not pay them. How do we get rid of all these things? We have the legit ones that pay and the most don't pay. To be able to make this money from the internet without any stress, you have first to become a freelancer. And you know how freelancer work is. A freelancer is someone who assess people to do their work, and a freelancing work can be any work. Even we have the outgoing freelancing and the visual freelancing, which we are doing online, trying to make something passively from the internet. So to be able to make something from the internet, we have many ways. We have cryptocurrency mining, and we have surveys and taxes performing, and we have office works that you are going to do and people pay you. Others will do how the money will be drawn is the problem. So to be able to become a freelancer and get work done, first you have to become an influencer, which is a social media influencer. You have to build a name first. In building a name, you have to get social pages, which you could get YouTube channel, TikTok page, WhatsApp page, Facebook page, and an Instagram page. So to get this, all you have to do is to create an account to them. And if you know you need any of this, you have to put it at the comment section so that I will create a video of that step by step. That is why anyone who posts videos at their pages always say, watch, like, subscribe, and do this. Please, if you know this video is being helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. That is what is going to make YouTube make our video go more viral to reach more people. Please help the channel grow. We are doing this together. If we grow, we all grow. And first, you have to get a TikTok account, and I'm giving an advice to the African people that all of you to go and create the UK TikTok account, which is going to be paying you by your videos. So that one is there. Check in my videos, you see a video of that, and watch how you can create your account step by step. For us not to waste time, please subscribe to this channel. More videos are about to come out. I'm going to teach you how you create your Binance account, whatever accounting, anything about the internet you need now to start making money. Wait and stick to this channel. For you not to lose this channel, just subscribe, turn the notification bell. Anytime that a video is being uploaded, YouTube will notify you first that a video has been uploaded through the channel you have subscribed to. So you go and watch. Thank you and have a wonderful day.